To my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to reset a Linux thermostat all models power cycle menu reset. For this guys, first of all, basic power cycle reset. Use this model when the thermostat is frozen, offline or not responding. Set the thermostat system mode to off if the screen is working. Switch off the breaker, mark, fragrance, air handler or the HAVC. Wait approximately 30 seconds, then turn the breaker on. After that, reset your Linux as for the smart thermostat. For this, first of all, tap 3-line menu icon, then setting, system setting, advanced setting, and tap the option of restart and restart button and select yes. Then factory reset a Linux iComfort M30. For this, tap to setting icon in the upper right corner, select the option of setting, scroll down and choose the advanced setting. Then select proceed when the warning appear. Scroll down and tap the option of reset setting and select the factory hub reset smart hub. Wait approximately 3 minutes from the dealer information and screen to appear. After that, restart an older iComfort Wi-Fi thermostat. Press and hold the Linux logo on the thermostat home screen and continue holding until the dealer settings screen appear. Select the option of restart or reset and confirm the selection. Wait for the screen to go blank briefly and return to the home screen. Then factory reset or Comfort Sense 7500. Open the thermostat menu, scroll to the setting, tap to its select and read the warning display on the screen. Tap to confirm. So this is the way that you can do, and guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.